Hi everyone. Today's recipe is very delicious. Rasam rice. This is very interesting recipe and tasty and healthy too. Take one small cup of tur dal. Wash twice. Then add 1.5 liter of water. Take a big vessel and transfer to the tur dal and water. Cook 50% and take same cup of this is Jilakara Masuri rice, very small rice. This cost is above 100 rupees per kg is there. That rice is fine for this recipe. You can use normal rice too. Take 2.5 cup of rice, same cup I am using here. Then wash twice, then soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Take 6 to 7 medium sized tomatoes, cut into small pieces. Keep aside. Now tur dal is boiling. Remove the foam. This is 3 liter vessel I am using here. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric and take a kadai. Add 1 full teaspoon of black pepper. Fry them 1 or 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 1 full tablespoon of cumin. Then fry it 1 or 2 minutes. Then stove off and transfer to a plate, or you can stir for 1 minute. Now tur dal cooked for 50%. Separate the water. Is 50% cooked. Now add rice with water. Add 1 liter of water now. Totally 2.5 liter water is required for this quantity. I took 70 grams of tur dal and 250 grams of rice. Then take a kadai, add tomatoes, curry leaves, coriander and half cup of tamarind juice without pulp. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, required salt and hing 5 grams. Then dal separated water, add it, mix once, then boil. Boil to half quantity. Meantime, stir the rice. Transfer the black pepper and cumin to mixing jar and grind it roughly or finely. Now rice and tomatoes both are boiling. Now reduce it to 70% of water. Now add 1 teaspoon of ground pepper and cumin powder. This is required powder. You can use rest of the powder, you can store for another time you can use. Now rice and Tur dal cooked finely. Now add the tomato boiling water to the rice. Now stir continuously. If water required, you can add 250 ml water and then cook for 5 minutes. Every 1 minute you can stir the rice. Now this is ready. Take another kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. This is first time we are using the oil or ghee. If you don't like ghee, you can use oil. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 2 to 3 red chili in curry leaves. Curry leaves and coriander leaves, the important leaves for this recipe. Those are give the taste to this recipe. Add a few pinches of hing powder, powdered hing. Then add the tempering. Now this rice is ready. Now you can serve immediately. Hot rasam rice, and add 1 tablespoon of ghee and fresh coriander. For side dish, we can fry the poppet. Rasam and poppet is a delicious recipe in Tamil Nadu district. Those people will do regularly rasam or rasam rice with pepper. You can find this rasam in hotels too. Every hotel daily they will prepare rasam separately and rice separately. Now rice is simple, single, healthy rice is ready with a puppet. If you have more work at home, you can do this recipe. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Now the tasting time. Super tasty, delicious, awesome recipe.